Hey grill lovers! If you're in the market for a new charcoal grill but feeling overwhelmed by the choices, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the top 5 best charcoal grills available right now, based on real performance, key features, and which problems each one actually solves. Whether you're tight on space, love to smoke, or want a full grilling station, we've got something here for you. Here at Top by 4U, we've handpicked these products based on quality, unique features, user reviews, and of course, bang for your buck. All to make your buying decision way easier. If you like any of these charcoal grills we mention in this video, you'll find the links with the best prices down below in the description and pinned comment. Some models might even be on sale, so don't miss your chance to snag a discount. And hey, if this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next product reviews. Let's fire it up. Weber Jumbo Joe. You want real charcoal flavor on the go, but your grill is either too bulky or not built for travel. The Weber Jumbo Joe is your portable grilling champion. Weighing just 18 pounds with a 240 square in cooking surface, it's perfect for camping, tailgates, or even small patios. Measuring approximately 19.7-inch heights, 20.5 weights, and 19.7 depth. The porcelain enameled lid retains heat like a pro, while the tuck-and-carry lid lock doubles as a built-in holder. You'll love the rust-resistant dampers that let you control the heat like a backyard boss, anywhere you go. And the best part is very affordable. You can find these models for around $100. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. Weber Original Kettle Premium 22. You want a classic charcoal experience, but hate the messy cleanup and inconsistent heat. Meet the Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch. With 39.5-inch heights, 22.5 weights, and 27 department. This grill has more cooking area with a 363 square in. Featuring a plated steel hinged cooking grate that allows you to add charcoal while cooking, and a porcelain enameled bowl and lid. This grill comes equipped with the famous one-touch cleaning system for easy ash removal. This is a modern twist on a timeless icon. Weighing 37 pounds, this grill is packed with flavor, keeps ash under control, and offers a built-in thermometer so you never miss your mark. It also comes with hooks built into the handle for storing utensils and a lid hook to secure it to prevent it from falling to the ground. It also comes with durable wheels, and all parts are guaranteed for at least 2 years. This grill is budget-friendly, durable, and perfect for the weekend backyard warrior. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. And hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Char-Griller Acorn Kamado. You want to grill, roast, and smoke, but traditional grills lose heat quickly and eat up your charcoal. Meet the Char-Griller Acorn Kamado. This triple-threat charcoal grill features triple-walled insulation to retain heat like a champ. It has a 20-inch cooking diameter with a total cooking area of 447 square inches, allowing you to cook up to 27 burgers at once. Weighing 97 pounds and measuring 30 inches long by 44 inches wide by 51 inches tall, it reaches up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit for searing or holding steady for slow-cooked smoked ribs. This grill also features a triple-walled steel insulated design, cast iron grates, a locking lid, 8-inch locking casters, a removable warming rack, bottom storage shelf, and foldable side shelf workstations with hooks for storing grilling tools. The dual adjustable index dampers and thermometer, and the easy dump removable ash pan make it a favorite of flavor fanatics who love control. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. PK Grill's Original PK 300-inch. You want precise heat control for both grilling and smoking, but most grills don't offer both. The PK Original PK 300 solves that with its rust-proof cast aluminum body, nickel-plated steel cooking grate, and 4-point venting system. It's incredibly durable, holds temperature like no other, and the capsule design even detaches for travel. You get 300 square inches of grill space and the ability to cook both directly and indirectly. It measures 16.21 inch deep by 42.75 inch wide by 37.35 inch tall. It's the kind of grill that serious grill enthusiasts love because it effectively functions as both a grill and a smoker, and it's durable, portable, and versatile. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. And hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Weber Performer Deluxe 22-inch. You want the authentic charcoal taste, but hate the hassle of lighting, prepping, and organizing. The Weber Performer Deluxe 22-inch is the complete outdoor cooking experience. Charcoal style. With a touch-and-go gas ignition system, built-in metal prep table, LCD timer and char bin storage, it turns grilling into a luxurious ritual. It delivers the flavor you love, with the functionality you crave. With 363 square inches of cooking space and Weber's quality construction, it's our #1 pick for a reason. Bowl and lid is made with porcelain enameled steel and the cooking grate with chrome-plated steel. This grill features the touch-and-go gas ignition system that ignites charcoal with propane for convenience. It also comes with a built-in work table, removable LCD cooking timer, char bin charcoal storage container for charcoal and one-touch cleaning system. It measures 43.5-inch high by 48-inch wide by 30-inch deep and weighs 92 pounds. This grill also has a tuck-away lid holder that conveniently holds the lid while grilling, a built-in lid thermometer to monitor the internal temperature of the grill, and hooks to hang grill utensils. In addition, it has a minimum 2-year warranty on all parts, with some parts having a 10-year warranty. This grill is ideal for those who love to barbecue but are looking for practicality and convenience. Check the link in the description and pinned comment for pricing details. So there you have it, our top 5 charcoal grills of 2025. Whether you're traveling light, feeding a family, or stepping into pitmaster territory, one of these grills is ready to light up your outdoor cooking game. And hey, if you like this breakdown, check out our next video on top 5 air fryers of the year. You'll be surprised how versatile they've become. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which grill you're thinking about getting. See you next time, and until then, keep those flames lit.